Alright, last update on our inertia drive before it all goes together. I've got both the rotors done. As you can see, I've just used a couple of aluminium pulleys for this. Basically because a lot less machining to do and they're relatively cheap to buy. Got the little bush machined up that our two axle halves will go in, and of course have to drill and tap a couple of holes and put some grub screws in to lock each axle half in. This is so I can adjust where the two pulleys will line up, and also the length of the axle itself. This is where the Allen key bolts come into play. I simply bought a couple of cheaper Allen key sets that have the ends that look like that, are rounded, so as this will act as a drive shaft or a universal type joint and will drive on an angle like so. So one for each side, and this one will be in here like yay, and so that'll work. Still got the motor to mount, two pulleys to machine up to drive the whole situation, some cables to make up to carry our satellites, and of course the motor to mount. Now I don't really know which one I'm going to use. This one seems to be very hungry on the power, whereas this old girl here, which is out of an electric scooter, is very light on the power, heavy on the torque. So I know that I'm really happy with that motor out of the fan, and I guess that reflects the price that I paid for it, $50 for the whole setup. So I'm kind of leaning towards this motor at the moment, but I've got until tomorrow to think about that. I'll sleep on it, as they will say. So we're getting there. Hopefully I'm going to have it finished by tomorrow and start running some tests tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, and we'll go from there. So thanks for following along so far, and let's hope we get the results we want. Apparently we're not going to, according to the laws of physics, but if we don't try, we'll never know. Cheers guys.